If you have ever sat in a high-performance sports car or gripped the steering wheel of a luxury exotic, you have probably felt a material that resembles suede but feels much more durable and grippy. That is Alcantara. Contrary to popular belief, Alcantara is not a type of natural leather. It is actually a high-tech synthetic microfiber material composed of roughly 68% polyester and 32% polyurethane. It was invented to offer the luxurious feel of suede without the drawbacks of natural hide. It is incredibly popular in racing applications because it provides superior grip. When you are taking a corner at high speeds, you do not want your body sliding around in the seat or your hands slipping on the steering wheel, and Alcantara acts almost like Velcro, holding you in place. It is also lighter than leather and does not get scorching hot in the summer or freezing cold in the winter, making it much more comfortable for daily driving. However, it does require specific maintenance. Over time, the fibers on a steering wheel can get matted down from the oils and sweat on your hands, turning that soft, fuzzy feel into a hard, shiny mess. The good news is that because it is synthetic, you can clean it with warm water and a mild detergent, and gently brushing it can restore its original texture. It is a premium material that signals performance, but you need to treat it right to keep it looking fresh.